Hey guys, today we are working on my EP3 again. It's been a long time coming, but it's back in the bay now. We're going to be doing an oil and filter service. Right, so we've jacked up off the front. We've put it on jack stands at the front sills. First step is to remove the oil cap. Remove the oil cap. Remove the oil cap. Remove the oil cap, it's the first step. And then what we do is we place it on the bloody thing. So, things you will need for your oil change and filter change is a pan to catch the oil in, some new oil. I've gone for the Motul XS 8100, fully synthetic 5W40. I'm not going to be tracking it on this oil. We will be doing an oil change again soon, so this is just a cheap but good solution. I've upgraded to the magnetic sump plug from Tegiwa. I've gone for the Hamp upgraded filter from Japan. A 17mm ratchet, something to put your old oil in, and lots of motivation. So this is the new sump plug that I've opted for. It's a Tegiwa magnetic sump plug, just to try and get some of the metal filings, if any, in my oil system out. It was about 15 quid and it's good for prolonging the life of your engine, so happy days. Comes supplied with a washer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do it up finger tight, stop any more drips coming out, give that a little bit of a clean up. Still very hot, so be careful, because it's good to change it when it's hot, because more oil comes out that way and you're not left with a load of crud in the bottom of your engine. We've put the sump plug back in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the oil filter, which is in the most awkward place ever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the wheel to give me a bit more space to get my hand up there, because I have quite big muscular arms. Do
you say so yourself?
The steering wheel lock is on.
Well, if you take the wheel off, you might have to turn the steering wheel.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So alternatively, you can turn the wheel to full lock to get access. But if you've got the car in the air anyway, then
might as well. Can I dack?
Look at the tread on that bad boy.
Yeah, man, brand new tyre, isn't it? So whoever designed this engine obviously didn't think about changing the oil filter. So we've taken the wheel off, brake here, see. The oil filter is up there. Luckily there's a little service gap, but yeah, let's see if we can get this out.
So once it's loose then, you take it off by hand, and then we're going to tip it backwards to try and catch the oil that's in it. Just keep it inside of the filter. Like that. Otherwise, if you went forwards, you just pour it all down the inside of your car. So there's the old one.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bit of the fresh oil, just loosen it up, wet it. Oh yeah.
it. Right, because we didn't actually have a genuine Honda tool, we had this sort of little grabby thing. I actually loosened it from the top down. You see, it's just down there on the left, and you can actually get this tool in from the top just to break it loose. Otherwise, if you've got this tool, you won't be able to get it off.
It's a bit touch and go. So now, sump plugs back in, oil filters on, time to refill with fresh oil. So I take my 8,100 excess, and this takes about 4 litres. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump a load in. Keep checking to make sure you don't overfill it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to drop the car off the jack stands.
What's the torque splits on that?
3 dugger-duggers.
3 duggers and a dugger. So it's right on the low end. Right, you stick the oil cap back on then, on the, which you put on the thingy.
That was already oily around there, I did not spill any today.
That probably means the oil cap leaking, didn't it?
Well, it's a good job I've got a new rocker cover coming, isn't it? Spoilers.
There you go.
So what we do is we just start her up, let the oil start going round in the engine bay. What we need to do is just let it warm up, get to temperature, so the oil starts getting around the whole system. And then what we'll do is we'll check the oil again, give it a wipe and then dip it.
I think you need another half litre in there, mate.
Well guys, there you have it. It took just under, smidge under 5 litres this time to refill it. So if you're doing filter and oil, make sure you use around that, but make sure you check off the dipstick. Thank you for 200 subscribers, it's very much appreciated. The giveaway was done, and another Ollie, not me, won the giveaway. So he won the Sam's detailing box, which we're going to give to him. We're going to post it out. More stuff coming on the EP3. We've got stuff on order, but they're long lead items, so it's going to be a little bit of a wait. But stuff is coming, so hold the faith. And we will let you know when we're close to our next subscriber goal, and we will announce the next giveaway, which is going to be bigger, better. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep doing handstands, and keep hydrated at sports days. Yeah, 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 yeah.